For this lecture, we're doing mind maps. Basically, a mind map will let you explore the different outlets or different paths that an idea can have. For example, if you're thinking about why you went to school, why are you going in college, why are you here? This is a question I like to ask. Why are you here? It can be immediate answer because I like education or whatnot, but if we use a mind map, you can actually map out all of the other possibilities. So you take the first central item, the why. It could be anything. It could be a pink elephant. But right now it's like, why college? Some people are going to say they want more money. See, it's a logical connection. Why are you going to college? I want more money. You can also say, why are you going to college? I want to change my career. A little bit of change. As long as they logically connect, it can be anything you want. Why are you going to college? Just because I like knowledge. Right? But it's not just one why money, why this, why kids, whatever. But why do you want money? Well, money buys me stuff. Stuff. The universal going. Stuff. What kind of stuff? A car. Oh, why a car? I want to travel to LA. Why LA? The Lakers. God bless them. Okay, or change your career. Hate current job. Why you hate current job? Linda talks too much. You know, or you love knowledge. Why? What about knowledge? It makes you feel alive. Or you love knowledge and you want to be a role model. Okay. Apologize for my really sloppy handwriting, but you get the point. And you can have other things out here as well. But now we can see Lakers. Well, okay, we can just pick on this one. Kobe's a Laker, that's fine. We'll say Magic Johnson. And we'll say Magic Johnson is also a Dream Team member. Apologize for the movement. And maybe Kobe was also a Dream Team member, so we can put him in there, but Magic was the original one. And Magic also is a point guard. So, you can go on and on and on and on about this. But at any moment of any of these bubbles actually answers the why. This is mind mapping. Why are you in college? Well, if you're in college because of money, because you want to buy stuff, or even just money, you don't even have to do the car to LA. The Lakers have a lot of money. Logical connection. Okay? You can say, I went to college because of Magic Johnson. Now, that can be logically explained if you see the mind map. If you're not, like, I went to college because of Magic Johnson, that makes no sense at all. But it's logical. Why? Money. Money. Lakers have money. Lakers have Magic Johnson. Therefore, I went to college because of Magic Johnson. It's a couple steps removed from your original reason of money, but it's still logically connecting. So when someone asks you, for example, write an essay about why you went to college, you don't have to give this, I'm going to college because it's the thing to do, I want a new job, I like this, cats are cute, whatever. You can write an essay about Magic Johnson. And when the teacher goes, what? Magic? What? Why are you writing about Magic Johnson? I asked you, why are you going to college? You can show them how to deconstruct and go, listen, Magic Johnson, and this will go backwards. Magic Johnson is a Laker. Lakers have money. I want money, and that's a connection to my college. It can go backwards. Okay, so you can deconstruct arguments, and maybe later on I can show you how to do that too. But that is simply mind maps, very quick and easy. I hope you liked it. If you have questions, just ask. As always, feel free to ask.